Okay. Here's a story. It's sad but true, of a car that I once knew. It's got bucket seats, a 4 on the floor, a Starfire engine, but you want more. Ciggy lighter for all your mates, a big back room for all your dates, an AM radio for all your tunes, plush pile carpet to make the girls everything a young man needs, even a demister, a heater and high beams, VC, Commodore, VC, Commodore. Yeah, man. Who are you kidding? It couldn't pull the skin off a rice pudding. An AM radio for all your tunes, plush pile carpet to make the girls no guts as it stands. It would get further on lackey bands. An AM radio for all your tunes, plush pile carpet to make the girls man, who are you kidding? It couldn't pull the skin off a rice pudding. 4 cylinders of pure power,